Today we're checking out one of Dallas's brand new buildings. So this is located right off Highway 75 on the east side, and it is absolutely stunning. As you can tell, there is a very heavy French influence in this building, and just walking in, it's just massive. The ceilings are over 20 feet and it's just a beautiful space. So before we check out the apartments, we're actually going to tour some of the amenities. So here is one of their many conference rooms. It's absolutely gorgeous. And here's the Sky Lounge, which can be rented by the hour. So if you have parties or any guests that want to come over, this space can be utilized for barbecues, parties, whatever you want. Here's the pool. They're still working on this, so it's estimated to be completed by the summer. And here we have the gym, which has brand new equipment. There's also a small studio that I forgot to record on the left side, so you can hang out in there and do yoga or cycle. So there's a dog park rather, which is pretty large. Oh, is this the darker color scheme, or okay, with the grayish blue. The way they decorate it is really pretty too. Like the staging.
This is perfect for one person.
Definitely. Okay guys, so this is the Sky Lounge on the top floor. This building only has 5 floors, but you still get these expansive windows, so you get a lot of natural light. These 20-foot ceilings are amazing. So this space can be rented out for your guests, and there's also a huge balcony out here where you can see the city. So that's the downtown area way off in the distance. So we are technically in Uptown. And if you look out here, they are building a 4 Seasons hotel to be completed in the next 5 years. Also, they're going to have a lot of shops here, so it's going to be called East Village. On the other side of the highway is West Village. Wow. You're not going to be able to see this building. It's going to be hidden.
Yeah, it's in the back. But even so, it's going to be crazy still.
Wow. So this is the A5 floor plan. It is about 770 square feet. This one has the lighter finishes compared to the last one. The A1 had the darker finishes. One really cool thing is this Frigidaire double door fridge. So you get an ice maker, water filter, lots of space, stackable washer and dryer, the light granite countertops, dishwasher, lots of cabinets, pantry, 5-burner stove, and this huge living room. So it's hard to tell from here, but there is a ton of space. We have this very large balcony here. And this is where they're going to be building the Four Seasons Hotel and a ton of high rises. So this area in 5 years is going to be completely developed. Dallas is really booming right now. This is like the place to be. So, bedroom. Here's a bedroom that can actually fit a king-size bed. So this bedroom is connected to the bathroom right here. So just walking in, we've got a ton of shelving right here for your towels. The same light finishes. It's the light gray and white. Shower tub combo with a marble tile and a nice large walk-in closet. So this one is a 2-bedroom apartment and it is huge. So this one's gonna be 1541 square feet. It features a full-size laundry room. And right here's one of the full bathrooms. So you have 2 entries into this bedroom right here with a view of the street where they're currently doing some new construction on some really modern homes over there. And this massive walk-in closet. This is really large. Could fit so many clothes in here, bags, shoes, and you get natural light up there as well. And what is this? Oh, okay, just a little coat closet. All right, so here's what we have. So much space, as you can tell by the echo in my voice. It's very tall ceilings and just a ton of natural light coming in from these windows. I'm not sure if this opens. Oh yeah, so this opens, but it's like a Juliet balcony, so there's not really much space out there. However, there is a balcony on this side. Oh yeah, you could definitely fit a table and chairs out here. For sure. So there's so much that they're building in this area. It's just crazy. Like the new construction around here is gonna be so pretty when they're done with everything. This kitchen is very modern. So this is what's considered their dark finishes with the grayish blue tone and the off-white on top. Brand new Frigidaire appliances. And just so much space in here. So much cabinet space. Pantry for all your kitchen goods. It's really pretty finishes. Okay, let's check out the second bedroom. And by the way, this floor plan is awesome. You have roommates and you want to be down the hall from each other, so you know you're not on top of each other. So I'd say this bathroom is definitely larger than the last. This one has the dual sinks, same tub and shower combo, just pretty large. And then this is more of a modular style closet. It wraps all the way around. So yeah, this is definitely a really, oh look, more space to store your towels and accessories. Yeah, this is a huge floor plan. I believe this one is going for around $4,000 right now. This is the biggest 2-bedroom they have in this building. Okay, so this floor plan is gorgeous. We have a washer and dryer right here. This one has the darker finishes. As you can see, it's furnished. It's really beautifully furnished too. So this building has a lot of French influence, I was told. Here is the spacious balcony. We're on the top floor, so this is a 5-story building. And we're gonna check out this bedroom first because it's a little bit larger, in the closet. Wait till you guys see the closet. It's really well staged. So, storage right there. Double sinks. Here's the tub and shower combo. And this closet is just, goals. I love this closet. There's even space to sit, so that just shows you the scale of it. And now we're going to check out the second bedroom. There's also a mudroom space right here. So here's the second bedroom, which is also really spacious actually. This is a queen size bed that's in here. And then you have closet, smaller sink, and this one has a stand-up shower and a good sized closet as well. So this is the B3 floor plan. I believe this is the last one they have of this particular floor plan.